Okay, check it.
Granted that we are assessing come to speak inside here. Come inside.
But they are tear-gassing the governor. They are tear-gassing the governor of the state. It's not coming me out.
Let me say the good people of River State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again after about 9 years ago when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday, and I said this morning I will come and see for myself. The truth about it in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes. It is clear. I know that.
For any reason. Even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this that we use taxpayers' money to build will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
I'm calling on the security agency. From what I've seen, the security agency even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me.
Yes, sir. I saw it. For tear gas to the governor.
They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. But it doesn't matter.
It's a pity.
Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I am ready to die with you.
I want to die when people hear Fubara. They say, who is this Fubara? Is that
our hero
killed one time for a struggle? You will not die.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody. But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. This person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit.